here for like 20 minutes not doing my reading. So we're just gonna do it because that would be way smarter. And then I can play Ni no Kuni. So here we go. We're starting back at the beginning of Mountaineer because we finished Mountaineer's vocab last time, which I'm sure I remember maybe one word. Okay. 登山家は山にある小屋で暮らしています。The mountaineer on the mountain went to the mountain にある小屋で I'm not sure, I don't remember. The mountaineer lives in his hut in the mountains. So in the mountains. 一人で元気に暮らしています。暮らしています。So he's happy living by him. Genki, I always want Genki to be happy. He lives alone and has a very healthy life. So 一人で元気に暮らしています。毎朝3時間山を登ります。So every morning at 3 something about the mountain. Every morning he goes on a hike for 3 hours. そして野菜を育てて食べています。Then something about he's eating vegetables. He grows vegetables and eats them. So 育てて食べています。Okay. 登山家は病院に行ったことがありません。The mountaineer has never been to the hospital. Has never been to a hospital before. とても元気なので病気になってことがありません。Always been healthy. 病気にな Think about the doctor. Oh no. Because he lives a healthy life, he has never gotten sick. So とても so because 元気なので病気になって Okay. 今日も昼にキノコを取りに行きます。So today he also something mushrooms. Picking mushrooms maybe? This afternoon, hiro. He goes to pick mushrooms in the mountains. Which it doesn't say mountains anywhere. So that's some bullshit. 登山家はキノコについてよく知っています。The mountaineer Something about he gets a lot of mushrooms. The Mountaineer knows a lot about mushrooms. Taberareru kinoko to taberarenai kinoko ga arimasu. There are mushrooms that you can eat and mushrooms that you can't eat. Let's see. No. Okay. We are halfway through the story, and we are at 5 minutes. And that is going to be it for my tired little brain today. Ciao, matane!